in my childhood, I was always told that a smile is infectious. If you smile to one person, it's hard for them not to smile back. It's like an automatic reaction. And the moment you smile, you automatically feel so much better. So it's the fact that you said they will then go on to smile to another 5 people is, I love that. I love that. I myself am quite a smiley person. I like to smile at people. I find it very welcoming, very warming. And yeah, well, thank you for sharing that information.
You know what? Just
What do you
right.
feel most?
I just want to say to our listener that just smile to one person during the day, and give this gift, and you will see the result. Because since I'm doing this, because I'm just a human being, and sometimes I'm not in a good mood, or I'm in a rush, and I don't think about to smile in people in front of me. And that since I practice that, I notice that people, even if I'm not in a good mood, but people smile to me. So it's a real difference in my life. And I said to one of my workmate last time, I don't understand why these people smile to me like this. And he said to me, it's because you have this light. And I think that I've got this light because I'm like this inside, you know, I'm positive inside.
Yeah, yeah, yes. And vibes speak, and people feel.
Yeah.
So yes, for sure. How do you feel most called to help people right now? And what are they usually struggling with?
Right now, I feel most called to help people who feel overwhelmed, disconnected from their bodies, or stuck in chronic stress. They often come to me feeling tense, fatigued, or mentally overloaded, and sometimes without a clear medical diagnosis, but with a strong sense that something is out of balance. And many are high performing, active, individuals who struggle to slow down, recover properly, and listen to their body signals. So, through the message and the Ayurvedic guidance, I help them to reconnect with their bodies, release tension, and restore a sense of balance and grounding.
Perfect. So, what are the early wins people often notice when they start applying your guidance?
Um, First of all, I would like to say that I pay a close attention to the person in front of me. I listen to them very carefully, focusing on what they are sharing, and I'm fully present for them without any judgment. And through their words, I try to understand their traumas and where they are in their journey right now. And most of them um, are not ready yet for a full diagnosis or for changing their diet and daily routine. And I understand that. It requires a lot of determination and adaptation. But the reward is worth the effort. But it's not easy for everyone. Our Western way of life and many common recommendations are very far from the Ayurvedic approach. But we grew with this, and it's deeply ingrained in the way we live. So it's hard to change the habits. So for most people come to me for messages, for a quick relief and a moment of deep relaxation. I offer deep messages, often followed by a short guided meditation at the end, adapted to their mood or to the phase of the moon. And they also enjoy coming to my place, which is very quiet and surrounding by positive energy, allowing them to disconnect from their worries. They feel instantly relaxed and peaceful. And I know I have succeeded when they tell me that it was the best massage that they ever had.